Hey, how are you? Welcome back.
Thanks, Chris.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
What's going on?
You know, I'm here for a cocktail.
Okay, what do you want?
I don't know.
Okay.
Some light. What do you got?
It is hot outside.
Yeah, some light.
I got it. So I just opened a fresh bottle of Prosecco for our customer. I don't want to go to waste. I also picked some fresh basil from my plants outside. Get some fresh blueberries for the market. I'm thinking Prosecco Royale.
Prosecco Royale?
Yeah. I just learned about it. I was on the internet, the World Wide Web, and I found it unique. I want to try it myself.
All right, let's do it.
Easy.
Prosecco
Go for it.
Royale.
Prosecco Royale. Let's go. We're gonna do 1 part Crème de Cassis.
Looks like that's all you got.
That
One part.
is measured out to a 1/4 ounce. Yes, but it's 1 part. Yeah.
1/4 ounce.
1/4 ounce. Also 1 part or 1/4 ounce lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice. I'm
Just freestyle.
I'm just gonna eyeball it.
Whoa,
Yep,
whoa,
eyeball
whoa.
it. That's a 1/4 ounce.
Yeah, that's a big 1/4 ounce.
It's 1/4 ounce.
Yeah,
and then we'll use that bottle of Prosecco. I just opened it for you. We're gonna fill it to the top. 3 to 4 parts Prosecco.
Whoa.
Professional.
Look at that. Right up to the top.
Not bad. Not bad.
Big spill.
Like I've done before.
Yeah, that's a nice brown color.
I bet it's gonna taste a little better than it looks.
Alrighty.
It's a little lighter, but the awesome part is the garnish.
Wow, look at you.
Yes,
The
sir.
blue collar Martha Stewart.
We got it all here at the Blue Collar Bar. We
Wow.
hope you like it. Let me know what you think.
Alright, let me give it a try here. Cheers.
Cheers. So, did I stumble upon a winner?
Not bad.
Okay.
Prosecco.
Prosecco. It's 3-part Prosecco.
Little fruit juice.
Yeah.
I think we got a lot of lemon in there.
It's something different, as requested.
Yeah.
That's refreshing.
Cassis?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's there.
Excellent.
Light, refreshing.
Bingo. I did it again.
You did it again.
If you like what you saw, please like this cocktail, subscribe for many more cocktails, and we're on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender.
All right.
Well, thanks a lot.
Tip ya.
I hope so. See ya.
Bye, Chris.
Bye.